What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is going to be a first impressions on a very new mascara from the brand Milk Makeup, and this is the Kush Mascara, which also contains cannabis oil. So that essentially is the reason why I picked up this mascara. This video isn't going to be like a review. It's really just a first impressions. I'm going to update you guys in about a week once I've thoroughly given this mascara a good run and really tested it out. This retails for $24. It's available on the Milk Makeup website as well as Sephora.com, also in Sephora stores. Going to read straight from the Sephora website. High volume mascaras, unique heart-shaped fibers, lock onto lashes for long-lasting volume, length, and curl. Hollow heart-shaped fibers lay on your lashes in each direction, creating the look of length and width. Conditioning CBD-rich cannabis oil fuses to lashes for thickness without fallout, while also working to fill the hollow heart-shaped fibers with formula for a double dose of volume. Cannabis oil continues to hydrate for healthier looking lashes even after you've removed your mascara. A vegan way to get major volume and healthier looking lashes in one hit. It's a no-brainer. Pretty cool and unique is because it contains the cannabis oil, which most mascaras contain beeswax. So this one is cruelty free. It's also vegan. It does have a bunch of claims, which I'm super curious if this thing works. I already did open this because I had posted something on my Instagram, but I haven't opened the tube, just to let you guys know. It is a heavy package, which I like because it's definitely luxe. Let's just look right at the brush. It's a really fat wand. Wiggle the puff brush. That's really cute. From lash line to tip, using the brush head to reach and define inner and bottom lashes. Layer for intense volume that stays clump free. Take a look at my lashes because they are pretty just straight and short, and they're pretty much non-existent. Leave one side just stark straight and the other side I'm gonna curl it. Normally I first curl my lashes and then apply mascara, so let's see how that works out. This side is curled, this side is just straight. Let's first just apply one coat on this side and we'll see what happens. Oh wow, I can wow, that is giving me some major volume to my lashes. That gave it some major volume and length, and it also just it really just like opened my eyes. I even missed like a little spot right here on the side, but I'm gonna apply a second coat. Let's get first like the tail end of this. How many of you guys get so annoyed when you get mascara other than on your lashes? So we're gonna have to wipe that off in a bit. That's 2 layers of the mascara, and we're just gonna wipe this right off. I am really impressed by it so far, so that's pretty nice. And I like the fact how it's also giving a curl to my lashes, because you guys saw how straight my lashes are. Let's go in with one more coat, third and final coat, because normally there we go again. I just got some on my skin. Normally with mascara, I go in with 3 coats. That is like incredible length and volume and lift. Also when I look up, and I can also feel it touching like the top portion, like right on my crease. Let's go ahead and apply some now to the bottom lashes. How many of you guys make that mascara face? You guys know the face, like. Whenever I apply mascara to my bottom lashes, it gets right underneath my lash line. That is normal for me. Let me wipe that off with a Q-tip. So here is one side completed. Now we're just gonna apply mascara to the other side. See what it does for the side that's already curled. 3 coats of the mascara on this side. How the lashes look. Do I think curling the lashes made a difference? I feel like some of the mascara started to kind of clump up where the lashes were kind of sticking together, so that's something to note. But at least for my straight lashes, it gave them like a curl, which was very unusual because I don't really get that effect. I always have to curl my lashes. But upon first impression, I think it did an amazing job. I think it did exactly what it claimed. Definitely update you guys in a Sunday faves and nays video. It will be up on Sunday, May 6th. If that video is already up, I'm going to link it right here up in the card area. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions. If you guys did, smash that like button. Don't forget to also subscribe. Hit that bell notification, which will notify you guys of new uploads. If you guys don't hit that bell, then you might not see my videos in your subscription feed. Don't forget to also follow me on my social media. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.